Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the extend entities command. Now, what do you mean by extend? To be simple, it is the opposite of trim. Like if trim is subtraction, then extend is addition. So let's check the command. Just go to sketch, go to the front plane, and here comes the command. In the drop down of trim entities. This is extend entities. Like we have the trim entities and same we have the extend entities. But the difference is of this is opposite to trim entities. So if you have just checked out the tutorial of trim entities, it would be much easier to have the learnings of extend entities because this is opposite to trim. So I'm going to attach the link of trim entities in this video so that you can just directly jump to that particular video and then continue with the extend entities. Now let's check the extend entities command. Now let's go to the line and I'm going to draw some lines like this. Just leave the line here and I'm going to draw the line like this. Then I'm going to draw a line like this. Now I'm going to press escape, then again go to line and I will make a line like this. Now let's check the functioning of extend entities. Like what is the function of extend entities? Basically, it is going to extend the line up to what point? Up to the intersection. Like this line is going to get extended. Like if I just zoom in here, like this line is going to get extended up to the this line, like up to the intersection. Okay, now the question may arise that how this is going to get extended. So you just have to hover the mouse over that particular line and then do the left mouse click. So this is done. Like you have to just simply click on that particular line and it will extend. Now this video is regarding the advanced part. Otherwise, it will be a similar video on like we have other videos on YouTube, but how to make it special. Now let's make it special by having a fantastic trick regarding the extend. Now if I just draw some lines like this. This is the first line, this is the second, this is the third. Okay, now, okay, let's done. Now, the basic functioning, like if someone is beginner regarding the extend entities, so he will going to use the extend entities like this. If he or she wants to extend this line up to this line, so what would be the practice for same for a beginner like this? If you are hearing the sound of the click, so this will be like this. But we are here to be an expert. So how to do this? Just go to the extend entities and hold the left mouse button, then drag your mouse up to here, and this is all. So this is the basic trick, like how you can be advanced with the simple commands. It doesn't need to be expert commands to be an expert. It needs to efficiently use the basic commands to be an expert. So this is all in the extend entities command. I hope you have enjoyed this learning of this amazing tutorial. Please do like and share and do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.